Hi, my name is Adam Jupe. I'm with the Drill Dojo. Thank you so much for your interest in the 30 Days Armed Team Exhibition series. Let's take a look at what's inside. So with your thumb on one side, your hand on the other, what you're gonna do is you're just going to let go. Once you're centered on the judge, you don't even have to stay there, right? But you're gonna kind of showcase the show specifically for them.
What are your first 3 checkpoints? So, crucified, be great.
How do we get a little bit away from this regulation and a little bit more into solid exhibition? So the rifle can fall in one of 2 ways. Number 1, either gravity can take it, or number 2, and this is the one that most people don't understand, you can push it into your hands. It's a game, of course. In the drill community, we usually call it drill, D-R-I-L-L, okay? And it's super simple. And the reality is I don't know every winner from every year and what place they got and what division they got, right? So I have to use a couple of tools to find some good videos. Looks like they're heading straight to corner. Okay, return to block. The secret here is that this person is moving when this person moves, right? So everyone should be looking 2 people over out of their peripheral. And let's see what kind of effect that this makes. On the ready, move. So I'll show you where to find these score sheets at the end of this video, but let's jump right in. So if you've ever looked at a regulation technique and thought, I can do that better, this is where you're gonna be able to get that done. And that creates this like nice ceremonial like aspect to it. It's really important to start building the skills of all of your team because these are the tools in your toolbox for the whole routine. Run to pyramid, 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 let's go, pyramid, pyramid. Okay, and just like that, we didn't have to define, hey, no, come on up here, take these steps, move in diagonal, right? Gauntlet, head to gauntlet. Commander's doing like a big signal and then a big throw. See all of them breathing, right? They take that moment for themselves to breathe. Glendale offers the best selection and the highest quality of goods. We're gonna dig around a little bit into Glendale, see what we can find, see what we can put together for competition. First and foremost, it's going to be water. Keep in mind your cadets cannot carry the rifle and water to the performance pad, like it's just too much. Start thinking about your team as a long-term endeavor. Access to this series is free with any past or present purchase of a Drill America drill rifle from Glendale or Drill Dojo.